Many of us, probably everybody here, has played this game, musical chairs, before. You know musical chairs? Maybe you have like 10 contestants and 9 chairs. The chairs face in opposite directions, and the aim is for one person to win, and at every turn and round, one chair is removed. And so you have this 10, maybe kids, and the music is being played and played and played, and the music stops, and they all sit down, and one child misses a chair. More often than not, the child goes crying, and the mom will say, don't worry, it's not about winning, it's about participating. That's the lie you told your children, or the truth. And you do that, and you keep removing one chair until 2 contestants are left and 1 chair. And hopefully, if the DJ has no interest in the 2 people, he will close his eyes and stop the music, and the winner sits on a chair. Now, that is what we all learned. It's the capitalist, colonial, musical chair we were given. There is another form in a Southeastern Asian country I would not want to name. In their own type, you still have 10 contestants, 9 chairs, and then they are told, when the music stops, the child that cannot sit on a chair disqualifies you all. So when the music stops, 9 children are sitting, and 1 child tells the other child, come and sit by my chair. Collaboration. So they take away 1 chair. There are 8 chairs and 10 participants, contestants. And the music plays and plays and stops, and 8 sit, and of course 2 are standing, and they are called, come and Kaimame talk, Randall Mama talk. The Nigerians will say shift, dress. I go 7, 6, 5, until there is 1 chair left. And how many contestants? 10. How they do it, I do not know. In Wolof, we have a word called langamu. There is a way you have to adjust. But the import here is that if I am going to succeed, then everybody else in my team must succeed. It's a win-win mentality. And if I should tell you the name of that country, you'll say, no wonder they are successful in every possible matrix that you know of. Thank you. My wife, somebody just said Japan. Thank you. That is it. It's a win-win. But let me leave you with my final example. How many of you know who the world record holder for the 100 meters men's sprint is? Usain Bolt. What is his timing? 9.58 seconds. So that means anybody who does 9.57999 will beat him. Nobody has broken that record since 2009. 9.58 seconds. The world record hold for the 4x100 men's relay is held by which team? The Jamaican team. Carter and other people, including Bolt himself. Now, do you know what their score is? Their timing is 36.84 seconds. Pick out your calculator and do the math. 4 men, including Usain Bolt, who clocked 9.58 and holds the world title. 4 men have run in 36.84 seconds. If you do the math, you come out to 9.21. 37 seconds faster than Usain Bolt's world record. So even in his team, he ran faster than when he ran alone. Need I tell you, this is not rocket science, that the speed, the average speed of a team that is together, that is bound together, that understands collaboration, that understands that I don't have to be Mandinka, Aku, Zimbabwean, I don't have to come from Senegal, but if we say we are African, and if we say we are Gambian, and hold one passport together, if we collaborate and work together, we will win, and our speed will be faster than the fastest individual runner in the Gambia. Let me leave you with that, fellows. Run together. Leave these premises with that in your mind. Run together. Make TAF proud. Make TAFLA proud. Make TAF Africa Global proud. And make this our sweet smiling coast proud. And make your families proud, because you understand that none of us is as good as all of us put together. And let's trample tribalism, trample all these things on foot, work together as one people under one God, and bring the levels of prosperity and success that we have never seen. 37 seconds, if only he knew. 9.21 as opposed to 9.58. You can do better when you do it together. I wish you well. I pray God blesses you all. I pray that you prosper in everything that